Is your VPN slowing down your internet? Let's fix it. In this quick Q&A, we'll cover what a VPN tunnel is and why most VPNs slow you down, as well as how to keep your speed and security. So, what is a VPN tunnel? A VPN tunnel is an encrypted path that wraps all your data packets and sends them through a secure server. This hides your actual IP address, protects you from snoops, and keeps your traffic safe, even on public Wi-Fi. Do VPNs slow down your internet? Well, most do. Encryption adds processing time. Routing through faraway servers increases latency. Many VPNs can cut your speeds from 10 to 50%. Is there a VPN out there that can speed things up? Yes, Speedify uses a technology known as channel bonding to split your traffic over multiple connections like Wi-Fi, mobile data, Ethernet, even Starlink, combining them for more bandwidth and smoother performance. What happens if one connection drops? With Speedify, nothing. Your tunnel stays connected. Other links keep carrying the traffic, so streams, calls, and downloads don't cut out. Now, can this help with ISP throttling? Absolutely. Because your traffic is encrypted and split, ISPs can't slow down specific services. It can also optimize routing and reduce packet loss. How do you set it up? Install Speedify, connect any internet sources you have, choose a server, and you're done. Speedify will seamlessly and securely bond everything together for optimal performance. A VPN tunnel can protect your privacy, but it doesn't have to cost you speed. With a channel bonding VPN like Speedify, you can get both. Try it out and let us know your results in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips.